Drop off. Take somewhere by car. My friend dropped me off at the station. Jack dropped me off at my office. See off. Accompany to station or airport to say goodbye. My brother came to see me off. My friend was with me to see me off. Set off. Start a journey. It is a long journey, so we will set off early. We have to arrive on time. Let us set off now. Check in. Arrive and register at a hotel or airport. You must check in 2 hours before departure. I need to check in at the hotel before 3 p.m. to ensure my reservation is confirmed. Check out. Leave a hotel after paying. Have you checked out the hotel? We checked out at 10 a.m.